Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome in. I'm glad you're here. I got a late start filming today, but that's okay. We're going to get this done. Come on, let's go see what's going on in this kitchen today. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using some confectioner's powdered sugar. I'm going to use some butter, some creamy peanut butter, some cream cheese, some graham crackers, and the recipe calls for Cool Whip. I do not have Cool Whip, but I do have Ready Whip available, and that's the next best thing. So let's get going and let's see what we're gonna whip up today. This is just going to be a quick little dessert for one, or a quick little dessert for two if you care to share. I believe this recipe will be making two, but you can put one up for later for yourself or make it for two people. I'm going to start by crushing up some graham crackers. I've already got 4 in my bag here, and started crushing them before I realized I wasn't filming. So we're going to crush these graham crackers up, and then we'll put them in the bowl. I don't want to get my rolling pin out, so I'm just going to grab a glass out of the cabinet. Okay, we've got our crushed graham crackers. That's 4. Don't know if that's going to be enough. If it's not, we'll crush some more. Just pour them in your bowl. Now I'm going to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of my butter, and I'm going to melt it down in the microwave. I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon, and we'll go from there. We're going to take our melted butter, pour it into the graham cracker crumbs, and start getting that mixed up. I'm pretty sure we're probably going to have to use another tablespoon, but I would rather have to add to it because you won't be able to take that away. So we're going to add 1 more tablespoon of melted butter. We'll get that poured in there. Now let's get that stirred in. Get it all mixed up, good and combined. We're making a graham cracker crust. You can buy the little mini ones pre-made if you want to, but I had these graham crackers, I had butter, I have ramekins that I'm going to be putting it in, so I figured, hey, why not? I'm going to add just a little bit more butter, probably not even half of a tablespoon. Hopefully that's it for the butter. I'm just winging this today. We're going to add about a tablespoon of sugar into our graham cracker crumbs. And you just want to get that sugar mixed up in there. Now you want to take your ramekins, and you want to split this graham cracker mix up into the 2 different ramekins. I'll put half in each one. Now you want to take each one, you just want to mash that down in there. Just mash those graham crackers down into the ramekin with the back of your spoon to form your graham cracker crust. You want it packed down in there pretty firm. And using the back of your spoon really helps with that. See how it's packed down in there? That's how you want it. get the second one done that way too. Okay, we have 2 graham cracker crust. You want to pop those in the refrigerator for probably about 30 minutes, just to let them firm up some more, let them chill. And while we're waiting on these to chill and to set up, we'll get the rest of our ingredients put together. You want to take a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and put it in a bowl. To your powdered sugar, you want to add 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. Now you want to take your mixer and you want to whip these together for about 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll see y'all in 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what you're looking for. You want it to be nice and creamy. To your powdered sugar and cream cheese, you want to add in your peanut butter. You're going to add in 1/4 cup. Okay, our peanut butter's in there. Now we're going to get that mixed up in with it. Again, another 3 to 5 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, when you finish that step, the texture of your mixture should resemble that of a cookie dough mix. Okay? That's how you know you did it right. So then your next step is to add in your Cool Whip. And you're going to add in 4 ounces of Cool Whip. You're going to add in half of it and get it mixed up. And then you're going to add in the other half. But since I don't have Cool Whip, I have Ready Whip. So I'm not going to measure this. I'm going to put some in there and I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to put a little bit more and I'm going to mix it up. And I'll see where I stand at that point. But let's get this going. That looks good. We're going to get that mixed in. Here's where we are. Now let's put the other half of our Ready Whip in. And mix. That looks good. We're going to go with that. Let's check and see if our graham cracker crust are chilled yet. Okay, our graham cracker crust have chilled and they're firmed up enough that we can go ahead and add in our peanut butter pie mixture. So you want to take about half of it and scoop it out into that pie crust. Do the same in the other. Once you get the pie filling in your ramekin, you just want to get it stirred around. Get it packed in on top of your crust. You want to do both of them the same way. And there you have 2 single serve, no bake peanut butter pies. You want to take them and put them in the refrigerator, chill them for at least an hour before you enjoy. I'm going to pop a top on mine and get them put away. There you go. Let's get those chilled. Now for a little something extra on that no-bake peanut butter pie. When you're ready to eat it, you can always take you some peanut butter and melt it down and drizzle it on the top of it. Or melt you just a little bit of chocolate to drizzle on the top and make it a chocolate peanut butter pie. Or you just put you some chocolate chips on it. Or do like me and just eat it as is. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll come back for the next one. Give me a like, share this video, leave me a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.